What's up, credit family? It's your boy, Mr. Credit Banking, and I am back again with another video. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to apply for multiple credit cards at the same time. Let's get started. For this hack to work, there's quite a few steps that you need to take. So there's a lot for me to cover. So you're going to see me looking down at my laptop every once in a while because I have some notes. I'm going to make sure I don't miss anything. So there's some pre-work that you need to do for this hack to work from when you actually apply for the credit cards. So I'm going to kind of go over that stuff with you. Your credit profile needs to be set up properly. So your credit score has to be 700 or more at all three credit agencies. Your utilization has to be 10% or less. You can't have any late payments in the past year. You can't have any derogatory marks in the past year. And you can't have any inquiries that are less than 1 year old. So anyways, you also need to do some research because you want to get some cards. So, you kind of have to pick out the cards you want, but you got to make sure these cards are going to work on this hack. So after you pick out the cards that you want, you're going to have to do a Google search to find out where these cards, what credit agency these cards are pulling from. And you need to find out, there's three basic credit agencies. You need to find out which one the cards that you're applying for are pulling from. And, note about this is do not apply for more than 3 cards from the same agency, because I think anything over 3, most likely you're going to get denied for that 4th one. And I personally recommend that you only apply for 1 card per agency. Although I did apply for 3 cards at one agency, I think, 3 is kind of pushing it. 4, you're probably definitely going to get denied. Anyways, and so the next step in this hack is that you need to do some relationship banking. So, depending on what type of card you're going to get, you're going to get a card from a bank or from a credit union, you need to build a relationship with that institution. So one of the things that I recommend that you do is that you open up a checking or a savings account at that bank or credit union. And a note to that is that I recommend that you do a direct deposit from your employer to that bank or credit union to show the bank or credit union that you're not just there to get a credit card. You're building that relationship with them. And I recommend that, you do this, have this direct deposit going into the checking or savings account for at least 6 months prior to you trying this hack. For me, I've done it both ways, where I have I've just opened up the savings account and just let it sit there. And I was getting offers in the mail, for a year. I just ignored them, whatever, because I wanted to do them all at one time. But I have also, made some direct deposits to build that. So I've done it both ways, and I've seen that it's worked both ways. But I recommend that you do some type of direct deposit to show that, you are building a relationship with that financial institution. So it's game day, and it's time for you to apply for the credit cards. That you did all your homework, you did all your research, and you are ready to apply. Your profile is set up perfectly for this hack, and so this part, there's no science to it. I can only tell you what I did. I can't guarantee it's going to work for you. So, I applied for 5 credit cards with 4 pulls over a 3-week period, and that worked for me. And I got approved for all 5 of those cards. What also worked for me is that I never applied for more than 2 credit cards per day, and I only applied during the weekends. I don't know if that made a difference or not. I'm just telling you, what I did. I feel one of the keys to this hack is that you need to apply for the credit cards you want before the credit cards start reporting your applications to the credit reporting agency. I think that's very, very, very key. I don't know how long it takes them to apply, but it seemed like 30 days after I applied, they started to report. So I'm not 100% sure of that, but I can tell that Once they started reporting, I did take a negative hit on my credit profile. So that's one of the things that is going to happen. All the inquiries and then all of these new accounts, your credit is going to take a hit. And in fact, my credit did take a hit. I took a 40 plus hit to my credit score, but I'm not too worried about that because I knew something like that was going to happen. And I'm not planning to apply for any credit for at least a year. So I'm going to garden for about a year and build up my credit and just do this hack all over again. So anyways, that's how I did it. That's how I was able to get, $45,000 worth of credit in 3 weeks and on 5 different credit cards with 4 pulls. Speaking of that, so two of the credit cards I got it from the same bank with 1 pull. So this hack, I learned a whole lot trying this hack, and I think it's some good information. If you learned something today, please guys, like, subscribe, leave a comment below. If you tried this hack before, leave a comment below. Let me know if you plan on trying it in the future. Leave a comment below. If you learned something today, leave a comment below. And like I said, please like my video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Mr. Credit Banking out. Peace.